So hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a video about Aliexpress and this time I have a homeware haul. So I'm just going to show you some stuff that I got from Aliexpress and yeah, that's it. Also don't forget to click on the subscribe button and give this video a like. First things are these stars. And I am going to have a old pink beauty room, like the wallpaper will be old pink. I will paint over the wallpaper. And I think about, painting this in gold. And when they are gold, to decorate my wall with it. So also with the stars, I also have some wooden letters and numbers, and what I think about doing is maybe putting the words YouTube on the wall and some numbers, maybe my year of birth. I really don't know. I just have to figure it out and probably will be having a cool idea when I am finishing my beauty room. So the last item that is to decorate that room are those leaves. They are gold leaves, and so I don't know what to do with it yet, but I think about just like putting 3 leaves on a place and then a place further away, also 3 leaves, that kind of thing. So yeah, it's a long line of leaves. So now I want to show you 2 of the kitchen stuff, I guess, kitchen things that I have bought. This is a silicone baking mold, baking mold, and I already used it twice and I think it's awesome because it really doesn't, the things that you bake doesn't stick onto the mold, so you don't have like hard times getting it out. And yeah, I just really like. The second item is this mug. I think it's so cool. It's a Lego mug, and also inside of it there are some pieces to put on the Lego blocks. So yeah, I don't know if it really is good for drinking, but yeah, I think I have to try it out once. So the next items are these 2, and these 2 are fake plants. Yeah, what can I say about it? I don't know. I really don't know. But I want to put it in some cute glasses with some sand or maybe some salt, because that's, I don't know, I'm just going to be creative with it. And I really like I really don't like flowers, but I do like plants, so yes. The next item also is for my beauty room, and it's a kind of a painting. It's not a painting, it's just this thing. I still have to buy sorry, I have no clue how you call it. It's just the thing on a painting that I still have to buy, because and it says I don't know if you can see it, it says love yourself, and I really like the painting of her hugging herself, and it's very, I don't know, it's kind of Paris looking, I don't know why, but yeah, I really like that, and that's also going to in my beauty room. Okay, so the last items there are 2 items. They came in these boxes, and I think it's so weird that I bought it, but also so cool that you have it on Aliexpress. But yeah, I do want to have in my beauty room, I want to have a yes, how do you call it again? Wow, I'm so bad at English right now. It's just it's like a makeup table with the mirror on it. I really don't know. I don't even know how it's called in Dutch anymore. But yeah, I want to have want to have that on my beauty room, and with that I am just going to show it. I have these two. Wait, is this? No. Okay. So it's called Fabricio X or something. And I really like the style of it, and it really looks expensive, which it was not. I mean, for Aliexpress it was maybe expensive, but well, I don't know. Was it 8 or 10 euros? I don't even know. But they really feel very heavy. Just going to put them out. They really feel heavy, and I want to place that on the table and put there some jewelry in it. Wow. So here you can put in quite a lot. Not a lot, I mean not a lot because it's very little, but you can put some a lot of earrings in it. Just, I really like small jewelry, and that's the thing that you can put in. And also here is another empty box thingy. Yeah, I mean, if you can look very close, I don't know if you can say, but some of the diamonds aren't put in as well as I wanted to be, but yeah, that's Aliexpress, right? And this has a little cross on it, and I like crosses, so yes. These were all the items of the Aliexpress haul, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope I will see you in the next one.